Hi and welcome to this new video. In this video, we will continue talking about how to speed up your PC. So I have posted a couple of videos about how to speed up your PC. They were all kind of simple solutions. And now we are getting into a more complex solution where you need to reset your PC. You tried all of the other videos, but they didn't help. Now I think the last solution one of the the best solution is to reset your PC. And in order to reset your PC, you need to go to settings. And you can just search in the search bar here for setting. Then you will see here the settings. And then under settings, you need to go to system. And under system, you need to go to recovery. And after clicking on recovery, you will land here in this page. And this page has recovery options. And here under recovery options, you have this button, reset your PC. And here you have two options, removing everything or keep my files. And we can press on keep my files. Then we will have here restore apps and settings which came with this PC, or you can change the settings. And here you can deactivate restoring apps and settings which came with this PC. If we confirm, we will continue. Let me cancel. Let's go back again, keep my files, and then we press on next. And it's saying we can't reset your PC while it's running on a battery power. I can plug in the power, but I don't want, because I don't want to reset my PC. I just wanted to show you how to do it. And then if you were, and then if your laptop PC is plugged in, you will have just to press on continue and just sit and watch it resetting. That's all about this video. Hope you learned something from it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.